Moving on now to some other update that we have for you at this point in time. Srinagar-Ladakh highway, we are being told, is also closed now for the civilian traffic. All vehicular traffic other than essentials being stopped near the checkpoint there. Another indication of the tense situation in Galwan as well as whole Ladakh, the line of actual control and the general area there. Mir Farid joining us live right now for more on this. Farid, give us more details. What's really happening as far as Srinagar-Ladakh highway is concerned?
We are at Gagangir, which is a location 10 kilometers away from Sonmarg. It's a checkpoint and we were stopped here. And not only us, but all civilian traffic is being restricted here. Only essentials and people who live in this area are being allowed. So that, again, as you rightly said, is an indication of what exactly is happening and how tense this situation is right now. I'll ask Shafiq to show you. This is the checkpoint. As you can see, there are policemen and they have been given clear instructions since late yesterday evening that no traffic will be allowed other than essentials, and especially as far as media is concerned, they will be restricted here. And I have with me Ayaz, who is a local journalist as well, who's been covering this area. कब से बंद कर दिया यहाँ पे?
पिछले 2-4 दिनों से यहाँ पर तनाव का माहौल बना हुआ था। तो जब कल ये खबर आई कि चाइना बॉर्डर पे कुछ कैजुअल्टी हुई है आर्मी की तरफ से, तो फिर हम कल जब यहाँ पहुँचे तो हमें यहाँ रोक दिया गया इस गगनगीर में। यहाँ नाका लगा है पुलिस का कि बोल रहे हैं कि आगे हालात ठीक नहीं है, तो अभी जो प्रेस की मूवमेंट है और जो यहाँ के लोकल लोगों की मूवमेंट है अभी वो बंद की गई है। एसेंशियल सर्विस ये बता रहे हैं कि एसेंशियल सर्विस अभी चालू है।
जो कॉन्वॉय मूवमेंट भी बढ़ी है,
कॉन्वॉय मूवमेंट तो पिछले 8-10 दिनों से ज़्यादा ही बढ़ी है। तो इस रूट पे खाली ज़्यादा उसी कॉन्वॉय की मूवमेंट रहती है। और जो यहाँ पर मतलब लोकल है, यहाँ पर एक टूरिस्ट स्पॉट भी था जहाँ रश लगता था, तो वो भी इन्होंने अभी बंद करके रखा है।
So it's a famous tourist resort as well, Sonmarg, and that also has been closed and made out of bounds for the public. As you can see behind me, army movement definitely has increased, though it is always a sensitive route because Ladakh, because of its strategic location, has always been high as far as army movement and presence is concerned. But of late, as you heard him, he's a local journalist who's covered this area extensively. He says from the last 7-8 days, movement has increased, and this is a step that has probably been taken for the first time where civilian movement has been restricted in summers. Right. And that obviously is reflective of the ground situation and kind of tense atmosphere that is developing because of that combat confrontation that happened yesterday. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Farid, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.